into Nocturnal, and I was scraping trying to get the driveway, and I had some cars behind me, and I freaked out, and then so I pulled forward. I'm pretty sure I just scraped my wheel for the first time. We got Dominic's cars here, which is sick. I'm gonna go out and look at that and see my damage I did. So I know I just scraped my wheel probably, but whatever, drift car. Dominic's car is looking sick. I'm so surprised, look how close he is. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and look at my wheel. It's actually just barely a little scrape, I don't really care, whatever. All right, I guess I'm gonna head on out, and next time I get my car back, it's gonna be, well, it's gonna have a lot more angle. Cannot wait. Man, Dominic's car just looks so fresh, man. I love it. All right, guys, well, I got my angle, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how much I can actually turn my wheel. It's pretty insane. Just got to start this up. So it can turn a lot more than before, and I love it. Man, that's insane. Dude, I cannot believe how much I can turn my wheel. My car is so dirty, but man, and it can go even a little bit more whenever I'm actually holding it, you know, sideways. So that's nuts. I am so happy with the angle kit. Now all I have left to do is go drive it. I guess all I can do from here is go. That surface change is crazy, dude.
Don't go too slow. That's what's spinning you out.
Yeah?
Second gear and you're going like 20 miles an hour, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm not used to this.
I get it, but that's what we're telling you. You know?
Yep, I understand now. You want to rip it?
Yeah, I know you ain't
Was that better? messed up again right there.
Yeah, what?
I want to figure out my own track to go, like my own course. I want to, because I'm not good at just free doing it, you know? That was sick. What's the plan?
That's what I'm looking. I'm actually looking at my line. So I see what I'm gonna do.
Oh yeah, you're gonna send it?
It's a weird line, though.
Yeah. Yo, this spot,
that was a really good one.
Dude,
you kept that shit
that's
in the
because
angle, though,
that's because this spot is fucking sick. Because I can actually, do a line.
sick, right?
Dude, I can actually do a line, you know?
No, that was good. I was like, okay, good. Because like when you went around and shit, I was like, okay, I'm gonna see if he gonna try to link it, and then you did. You just like kept it. I was like, all right, there it is.
Yeah, mind you at the end.
Yeah. No, it was good. Yeah, literally just have the rear end lined up.